Welcome back to our gardening and farming channel where we explore the fascinating world of living organisms. Today we're thrilled to introduce to you Motherwort, a remarkable herb with a rich history and a wide range of uses. Join us as we delve into the details of this captivating plant. Motherwort has been valued for centuries for its medicinal properties. It has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in European and Asian cultures, where it was believed to support women's health. Motherwort is a herbaceous perennial that reaches a height of about 3 to 5 feet. It features deeply lobed, toothed leaves with rough texture. The plant blooms in summer, displaying clusters of small, tubular pink or purple flowers that attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Motherwort thrives in full sun or partial shade and prefers well-draining soil. It is adaptable to various soil types, including clay, loam, and sandy soil. This hardy plant is known for its ability to tolerate drought and can even grow in challenging conditions. Motherwort can be a beneficial companion plant in the garden. Its strong scent helps deter certain pests, and its tall growth provides shade and support for neighboring plants. It can also attract pollinators, enhancing the overall biodiversity of the garden. Motherwort has a wide range of uses, particularly in herbal medicine. It is often used to support cardiovascular health, ease menstrual discomfort, and promote relaxation. It can be prepared as a tea, tincture, or infused oil. Additionally, the plant has been used as an ingredient in traditional recipes and herbal remedies. And there you have it, a closer look at the remarkable Motherwort. Its history, distinct features, and medicinal uses make it a valuable addition to any garden or herbal medicine collection. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating plant profiles. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.